Shivangi Agarwal from NRI International School. Today I am here to share my views on the topic, if I could design a school. As school is the second home of the child where he or she spends most of the time. So I would like to design a school where the children look forward to come each day rather than making any such kind of excuses. When the child feels positive with the environment, they feel more positive to be engaged with the teacher, materials and each other. In my school, the students will be explained by taking real life experience as information strike to stories better than notebooks. I would like to design my school in a digital way as we are living in the 21st century. So, my school will contain 3D and 4D live projector as the students remember what they watch rather than what they read or what they listen, as nobody forget the movie he or she watched. So, in my school, each and every student will be taught each and every subject as life as it is. My school will not limit to studies. There will be other co-curricular activities such as sports, music, etc. As after school they have no time to spend time in such activities, as these activities keep the child motivated and only studies can make the child frustrated. School will not only prepare a child with better education but also make him a good human being. So in my school, a student will get overall development in their personality to face any future problem in life which will help them to earn success. Thank you.